Module 11. Only a couple more to go. This is going to be about the eye and the ear. These are going to be 2 chapters that will be covered in this module, chapters 12 and chapters 13. The eye and the ear are really one of my favorite areas to talk about, I think, because they're kind of, to me, uncommon that we discuss this, because we have ophthalmologists who are going to be looking at people's eyes, and then people generally go to a physician to have their ears checked, and you wouldn't think that there's a whole lot that could go on with an ear, but there really is. So the eyes are a part of the body's sensory system and are responsible for vision. The ears are also part of the body's sensory system, but are part of hearing and also balance. So in this module, you're going to recognize and use medical terms related to the eyes and ears. There's so many different types of conditions and strange, crazy diseases that it can occur. I think that's kind of why it's intriguing. So what you're going to be doing here is reading chapters 12 and 13 in your medical terminology book. Take a look at your PowerPoint for this module, which is going to be both the eye and the ear. Go through your assessment activities. Complete your pronunciation assessment, chapter exam, and also spelling quiz.